Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a review of my recent purchase Carote non-stick dosa tawa. MRP of this 28 cm dosa tawa is 1699, but I got it from Amazon for rupees 1110. So this is induction, ceramic, gas stove compatible, and this comes with 1 year warranty. Dimension of this tawa is 29 by 28 by 5.8 cm and weight is 900 grams, which is decent weight. It has this beautiful granite coating and it is PFOA free. This tawa is also available in white coating 24 and 28 cm. This has wooden like handle, not wooden though. Handle has this wooden finish. There is no visible screw. They are all hidden under the handle. It has this rubberized texture. It looks good and feel good in the hand. In the comments, I have noticed some people complaining about that the tawa is not completely flat. It is actually flat. See, I'm trying to pour water and water remain in the center. I tried with oil also. Oil remain in the center. So there is no bulge in this tawa. I have tried making pancake, chila, dosa. You can also make roti, paratha, omelette, sandwich. This tawa is actually non-stick. The food just glide. It's truly non-stick and it serves the purpose. So here are some instructions which will ensure that your dosa tawa would last long. Take a note that never heat the empty tawa for a longer period. This may damage the non-stick coating. So the moment the tawa is hot, pour the batter. And number 2 is you may clean it with a wipe or with a soft sponge, but never with a steel scrub or that wire brushes, no. That will again damage the non-stick coating. And the third point to note is don't use the metal utensils like spatula or knife to flip dosas. Use the wooden one or the silicone one. So overall, I love the color palette. It look unique and spice up the kitchen. It's worth the money. It's quite heavy and sturdy. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos.